Womogusi. Kiremambia Amayia Ndizi TV.
Kuna botambe toko chakeli litukuliao ase obwansu tumede na manga korakanire kuritukulia igoro nuko tukobogima konde bone mambia ni goto kwarigania ase morobiri ogwe ensaki umete sara numete ensaki
enzakia
umete na mugasogete umete mambia ewa no mada tena kiti ganda soki gerogo isiko
nda nyenzaki
na nenzaki umete ne bwate vitamini
ne bwate
ona entwe mwanjo muriere intura gotika maiga imana tuno to kwa vitamini gete vitamin D
Morobiri no yo mubuka uguchakia na kurosa litukuliao asenjiri ndunge kima enzakia ya Ndizi TV asugo kumanya iguru yamangana siasa aliatekire obochenu chisemi richiko na boigo iguru yamangana yigenka
karo ikiwe sherabneri ya committee maximum prison egitire iga imineti igota keirobenye mali bakokore egesibo kiao kirigwa spiritu asejereyo
umirana na Sara Untita na Brighton Makuri
emitandao Facebook ni gotonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya YouTube ni gotonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya Twitter na goto tweet ase @Ndizi TV News inadhina tokonyora uchumbe yao asenjira yobotirana
baigona bagotonyora gwetera asenjira ye SMS osabali mo gotorora korwa sinsemo chama chingumbwana osesimole tokoroka diaspora amo gotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke
utarasoka ku nyumba mwao ni mambia yao nigera umchurie Amayia Ndizi TV Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi
na inderende ngotebanga nyasaba konye mutware sigukwengiya engiya mono no mwaka omuya o 2022 oyo bwebisyo no yo bwamangana maya nonye no bachori bogochigocha tochora abantu bagotokini buna mwamogusi bya mono sana.
Tupunguze hasira nyingi, tusikule tumalize pesa, tuzue na gharama katika Krismasi, tuishi maisha ya kujuliana hali, tukisherekea kusaliwa kwa Yesu na ili tuvuke mwaka tukiwa wote katika familia hiyo, tuvuke pamoja na tusiwe na vifo na hii mambo ya kuweza kugharamika zaidi. Na watakieni Krismasi njema na mwaka mpya wenye mafanikio.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi
na ukwaniri ando nsia sobere tumoncho murigereria Ndizi TV ase margoba yabono nechinga kichina ngo kwarigania SMS etio mangana Amayia Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko erinyare ko gosansamuranira aseri bwana gukumanya arebereka watika korose mambia lenge ntambe weka Chinsa chigabono chiabono margoba inyari tukolia Jumatatu tariki 20 omutinye 12 mwaka bwe chiri bubere na 20 noyo mabuna botambe tariki buno chiarero omutinye buno yorege genteki ya goseke bengi ya kolekanite asense mogete unabono aso mwaka bwoliwe muchimia kianda emeronge tani berenteto 1973 nalio muwaziri omonenye ense ya Spain anyareze kawo itwa nagokwa ayo naja kolekanite ase chinga kicho kolende nali ya kolekana ase lituko liarere mase mono kwariganisa ransoike linyare gokomanya sobo ikirano isato chia butuko letirane nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Nigo toko igore Amayia Isato ase account ya Kisi maiga yumubasukano mutindi gokolekana ase litukuliarere ensemo ya Nyataro maiga yegari aina yeni sani matatu yemugetia abantu yale kurochinsemo cha Kiogoro gocho muscho bosongo wate kokogoro na goturungana marahange abwasa abantu barenga segari yubanyara bagotigerwa chinkoma chintinde nigobono abantere babase migokoba maiso kubwatikano basikano yokolekana ase bare ya Kisi Kirigori rituko liarero bali banyora chinkoma chintini nigobanyara komnyokiwa wekasi nyagetari imeyo mucho bosonga sobagendrete kurwandra amagimabo kulende wikatoko gende mbeo ondita yokonyoro siriri obugima bwaye. Ekerogo kyobo governor kurwase county ya Kisii ni okagendrete komererwa matena barone akuru chinsemo ensemo ya Nyariba literatigera maige kerekeria barwandre batagetekeroge kyo barokane ko babange kurwase ensemeyo omulike ito wamangana ya Brian Sagni Isena norobotyo rwasenchira yoboikirano.
Oborai ase county ya Kisii nigo bagendrete koba obwo mongso kegima abwo ase abale ne ganga yokora county yo bagendrete wesokia buna bogokia ekirogo kyo governor ase county ye nigo kemerere amatena abange kurwa chingongo ne chinsinya chonsie county ye abwo asange kere nyomba egendrete wesokia na kwebanga elyogo sokia umurwanere lyobo kolinde ine ningi kyaberege kongu anene mono asaba nyali bali gosokia umurwanere lyoyomo
Naro chaire county. No nyaliba. Mwache. Nabonwa. Mwana nyaliba litoa kesa buya. Oro meme eba teba oronge bunduki yendo se. Oro ko meme bunduki eta soro meme teba sito chaine to kwera maya. Balai naenda mbele.
Ababande boko bolyo bogabana. Omusike machogu yaliba ali murabange. Tinde tuko kwanaga. Abande mbaro omwana matoke nara lakini mumanye buno munyaliba ali achandegete matalia nabo mwale kuwancha mochoro yomo
hono lende na ndende morevu kwa etani wacha gotebo totebi na buri ororo gotebi abantu nere miaka ya gwereire atebi abanyaliba ali ngase bago chigo chia segetega
ababago kwana gaiga bonsi bakoligia abana bagaka abagake kero bakoligia echinechi eri chioka engombe tali ere gochitorania
Korengana na bakwani abange nigo monyalibali abwateli bagali yali okora county ya Sentundeye korende onyemba uche kwebanga nabo go kwigwana nigo libagejo lirachoro wao
lakini bono ko bayo gotebanga waito narore nande to gocha kuira naga gatotebe naki morochi kimwakorete bono mokanda mwake sabu buya na mboko nyore kerogo yakolireki mwatiokereire kende
sokoro no mugaka machogu tika baisaranse baigwane asengencho onye muri go chikoigwana igo tokobetere litogende busio pako mwali asengencho ekeroge keiga gwekage chinyalibali
bangina mura ekero moko gende kerero kiengencho igo moko irakora ya inone sutie imoko mwera gosene nkoro nya
Goikera bono omoseneta Samongeri niga kagere gocha kurige kiroge kyobo gavana omobungo Nyaribari Masaba Ezekiel Machogu Charles Matoke no muswati Recho Tundo nigo bonsi besokire kurigia kubwatesigwa n'abanyalibari gwetane kiribwe myeyemo obeli getene kyombe kyobo choline chimbebe IEBC
ani abantu bande ebamanyeta abanyalibari n'abangaini nonya n'umunyalibari ekarago soka bubasi igo bagotebi kukwanyolire egente ekia egento tikirekoreteke ase obogambi bono notogocha gosinyogochora 140,000 votes
abanyali bari go tubwate chikura 160,000 votes echine chikura chinyinge chiratoekerogo erinde naintu togende mategali
kurende ine ningore tayari kubwatokera uyo mwabona gutanga nabo igokora abanyali bari bosyo bo bachori bo mwaka w'ikiri 2022
umunyali bari yo chandekire abatayisaini ngoja go gatorekera umontago tenonye tayisaini twa mukani ngaye karanza tigera furaki
itoko imogera twesipi igotoko beka chigwagwa togende pakemechiyeye totebya abantu iganga tiga omonto twakire keranyanya lebe
matukonko erari na babiba tugutwe
Erietarian Brian Sagini Isena
Miyamono mwanjo muligereria hasoro woziro akrokona Brian Sagini Isena togotikana asensemeyo omwe msiyo kurwase wodi yatabaka Daniel Yombaza pepo bono nigago keregetambo kero gekagambero asogo tugutarare woku yokwe gware kurensemo ya South Mugranga nsemo yatabaka igateberwa nobo soko sana ekero kuri factory ekigware kwaga chwase county ya Kajiado omurikito obwo manganama ya Brighton Makore norobochi rwa senchira iyobokirano
Menyi be wodi ya tabaka yigotoka sebunge ya South Mugirango imeye county ya Kisii ni gobono bagendete kurumbia maega ye factory yatakire kwaga jwe factory yeware koruziwa asense meyo na kwaga jwe chinzemo cha Nairobi
chance tukurusigu e wodi ya tabaka na chiwodi chinde chigari cyari kurugusi chirange chigari emeronge ebere chikobogori chitani emeronge nekeregari igo chitani 2000 cyari kurugusi chikoiruma ese gware factory ya Rosi gwari Kajiado
Gwana nikitoseni Candice TV ilituko liarero omwemzie bwe wodi ya tabaka Daniel Ombasa Abebo nigada biruna negento kyogo ijania ekeri factory ya Rosi gwase chinzemejo na kuirwa ase chinzemo ja Kajiado
egware neyo mugusi neyo mugirango neyende nerebo basi onye factory kwa gachu tiga ya gachu gusiga abana baito bari basomera tamangana y'ikigware bande basomera tebintu abao etokema banyorire igwareye ebesa bakonyora kurwa ngutumia bari ekere factory kwa gachu ari Kajiado ngakiwe ta kumonta we kurwa kuri kwegasi ari umuntu uri omenye tari okokore gasio ekera akuriri toke gusechai gusobosi ngase nigare kobera iwodi ya county ite ya Kisii onye konyarekana ebeserise kuruse gware etumeko
omwemsi oyo ni gobono atogirie kigambiro maega yogotenia okurusigwo kwa magena yegware kurwa sensemeyo goika ekina giategereirwe egitakire korete factory ase ensemo eyo
tukeriga chatebuna court injunction etenenti okurusigwo kuri kwe chigwarari twari kubori mweshimiwa baitu bagusi na mono mweshimiwa Soro twarigiri chisignature ngoko atule uire Nairobi o petition in the National Parliament ekwende biri ya etetu ebe kuboronge egware kobacheka tebasa koru amabwaga itagusi
MC oyo ni gobana tebuna nirebuya abantu abukwagajirwe factory eriko konyeka anenekero botaka bogendete kwenekiwa ime yagusi boigo ni gatebuna mbaliko chiwanjera factory yukorusigwa asenzemeyo na koirwa ase ensemo engao
onye factory kwagachu tiga yagachu gusiga abana baito bari basomera tamangana y'ikigware bande basomera tebintu abao etokema banyorire igwareye ebesa bakonyora kurwa ngutumia bari ekere factory kwa gachu ari Kajiado ngakiwe ta kumonta we kurwa kuri kwegasi ari
Ombasa oyibono rigetigo chikorie kerogo ase ebunge ya South Mugirango ni gobona bakeire abamenyi buya na kubasabere Christmas ekia amo no mwaka omuya
kosa abantu batabaka na banchorete na hande ngwishiri abantu babugirango na barabu baguchigonchora na abantu bagusi na Kenya ngima e Christmas ekia umwaka omuya lakini mono abantu baito bunatoko genda chikura tutwaro mulembe mundi tabase kongena mwana onde achikora amunde kurutonde kiara ko siama muntu onde kiara nyasaye tubwate stokoro bochorio buya bari baraire baigwenga kiao baganga
kuripoteria igitoseini kia Ndizi TV kurwa asensemo ya sotu mugirango iridhariane Brighton
Mbia mono Brighton Makori hasoro bocho rwa senchira yobo ikiranu oyokoligia kargo kyobo jumbe kura nsemo ya kitutu cha South Andrew Mahubi ni gobona moiro koboko omwaziri wechikosera se county ya Kisii Diuki Mahinga asekero kendo gyonzera chekoligia sobo choryo bonene bolebosio ni gaya kwanta buli tukoligaro ensemo yeto nego toko ime ya Kenya se county ya Kisii ekero bale gukwanira igoro yokondre wana kugikiria anene nsemeli ya Chenda Defiance nigo Andrew Mabete betebuna enga chinga kiche kire elio machoge banyale kweroberia nene asobo choryo bonene bole bosio
muswada ole gatindi speaker lakini zikatotema kwa robo speaker muswada watabanga at a meeting held today the which day the 19th of December 2021 at Bombaba, isn't it?
Yes.
Osweta. At Osweta grounds. Abantu bale ngomo kutano monene. Bantire nga Duke Maingeta te agende achuko tuara. Will as many as of that opinion say hi. Will as many as of a contrary opinion say there. The highs have it.
Onye muandikire rero squeeze in compose in relax ngor niri naga tie dire mono ese ke jona yori bitu kwa ground ni different bitu kwa ground ni different tuligo tiena ega ni idio be very mature wapi meri to no boromba tuigwana ine wapi pima kuruare abantu nabanya ukwana no nyakoram jamana bambi turabongo bateri no ndo kwenso kondama nkomo haki tualiye sukumambo kelito ukuri because you say yeida umugambi you have to take everything deep on your heart. So na basabire kamuranche onye muamwire ndetore by the show of the hands ngonga ndira murenga ngene ndigie kindari gikuchizika litorigie tore to mu machoge nera kore kwenda chitamu muamwire
Unabotambe chitariki 25 cyakiro mutinyo 12 abantu abangeni go bagochengera lituko lyesuguko ekarayu aganyero go chikokolekana nige kyombeke mukuru asensemo ya Nairobi kamanya kantebona institution engineers of Kenya of Kenya nigo bachakiro muchengo bwesuguko aso ogo sanga na bana batali kwenyara se county ya Nairobi omulike itokorwa se county ya Nairobi Innocent Onyango noroboti rwa senchira yobwekirano.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Nechinga kichemega.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
Ekyombegia Institution of Engineers of Kenya gekoragwa n'umusubati Damaris Oyaro nigo gyachakiriyo muchengo bwe Christmas mapema n'abana ba Barbados Children Home aiga Nairobi. Aba engineer bo nigo bachakiriyo mu rubelio yo eligo sangwa mogoko amo n'abana bali chi school. Asibalengete kurwa esegeto ya bene gochia aseke goliegeke eligo twaro wanja gochia asesomo ye chikosi cha engineering. Abana abo nigo bagokero mu rubelio yo abuasa abande basabire korosaligwa chi program chia bene eliyo gwesomya mangana yobo engineer ekerabale sechinga chiabo. Abana abo amone kikosi ekyuki aba engineer nigo batwalete umuyega abo muchengo monene.
We are mentoring and trying to instill the engineering message to them so that at a young age those who want to become engineers, they're able to see their role models in engineering, people who they can emulate, people who have made it, so that they can also see that engineering is a worthy course to pursue. From the engineering perspective, we're able to check whatever they need, maybe if they need water storage tanks, if like now here they've said there is like something they need to pave the roads. Since we have the expertise, we can come in, maybe give a consultancy, the materials to do it and the expertise to do it.
because we are a charitable organization. We depend majorly on donors and well-wishers. So today we were privileged to have the Institution of Engineers visiting to come and spread their Christmas cheer with our kids, and we are really grateful for the kind of support that they've given to us. As you can see, they've donated a lot of stuff to the children, and we are really grateful for them.
Ripoti ya Ndizi TV koru Nairobi, elietaliane ni Vincent Onyancha.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Inomulike ito kurase county ya Nairobi Innocent Onyango. Togotigara ase ensemo engabuno itereno kikase county ya Nakuru. Gati yabasa kurase county ya Nakuru. Igobona batebiri baguchikomoko boko omokonyu murewense William Ruto bigoro murewe kyama kya UDA anasobocho lyobone buli busyo nakwene kibunankanyare chikura chinyinge kurase county ya Nakuru. Igo chinga kiti yabasa ubanyarire bakomo mochumu waziri wa ulindweme Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
My name is Collins Chemenjo, Rift Valley Youth Naruto Chairman, and we are here today in Rongai constituency, Nakuru County, for our work as Rift Valley Youth Naruto, whereby we have been engaging grassroots mobilization in this journey of Hustler Nation to ensure that the movement of William Samoei Ruto is solidified in Rift Valley as a region. And we have engaged ourselves and agreed that this movement here in Rongai constituency, we must launch it and install to be the UDA zone.
Jina mimi naitwa Wesley Kipchumba Karasta. Nataka kukashifu. I want to condemn in the strongest terms possible the action by the Honorable CS for Security, Dr. Matiang'i. Ile maneno alifanya jana kule Bahati, tumesikia imetuhusunisha sana. Na tunasema hiyo ni mbaya. Sisi kama Wakenya wapenda amani, sisi kama UDA wapenda amani, tunasema nini?
Ritukeri Morioka maiga ye timu ya Ichuni Combined konyara kububu Nyankongo anasege kombe kia Matoka Memorial Cup ekoroba Chester tukoigora asegiti kia Nyanturago Nyantika Mayero ekikotoka sensemo ya Nyanturago litukoigoro na konyara kurua asemakana makara segoliemo aseyemo ne timu ya Small Simba FC igobono mulike itondemo Steven au mnene noyo mo wabwatani be timu iyo na gotwariganira roboti rokobwatia ekarokelia timu ya Ichuni yabwete asenchira yechi penalty roboti orwa senchira yobwikirano
karango kwa na Small Simba na Ichuni FC Ichuni Combined FC no mupira obwato mungsoma nesana batirende ekaero mupira yo kaina makali yegolia emaseyemo and it also a deserved red card because nabwato mupira intentionally kera machikaro tigabwatigwe. We had to change our formality to defend because ntwa konyara go attack when we were less. The reason we defended na tukaenda chi penalty, so our goalkeeper realized the mistake yali yakole tentangani, he rectified on penalties. It happen is good now on penalties agatokonya, but Small Simba was equally a good team yatoete challenge sana, so buna nyasaya njete na wetero mukibwa bamura bakaimukia kombe ekyo. But what I can say ekiara na igetali mapema ama shabiki amange sana aruete South Mugirango kubwa baruete nyali bari masaba egentonda mutei Charles Chwe Matoke na ranga na no musainere ore well determined umanyeta mangana yabasai na inigo na barachi konyara ndamusabe agendere gusira ki talent yechiga na promising a second edition nebo URAB 2023 because 2022 a current election period. Again, this is the first tournament to already cover rand in county ya Kisii Kaira because na chageti mu governor we county ya Kisii agachakia tournament ikaranjire igatenna. So again abarai bagusi tigababu ati exam beke kegera personally ya murali nkwaro cy'abantu bayicorete bemege tikya Nyanturago. Igo abantu mbanje tumupira neli basiekeire batari ko nyara wakoreki ko wekerana bali imipira iyo. So nabona kuburia barai banyare kubeka imipira ye menge in different places Mugirango South Mugirango Machoge Burabu Machoge chache, Kitutu chache, South and North, Bonchari, Bobasi, Nyalibali Masaba, Nyalibali chache, at least abasayi banyale kwerokia chitalent cyabo.
Magigage kombe kyomusike Charles Choya matoke kwera segeti kianya Nturago Stadium niko bona barai abanyale gusabugwe soki na kwarigania bikombe bune bibiranyale gusire biyegwa imioro gongorwa gusi yinko reporter getaseni kia Ndizi TV Elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Mbiyamuno Ndemo Steven Hassan Semeli ye chigosori mwanchu moligereni abani gorchinse mochirija Kingston Jamaica Abuja Nigeria goselu Lusaka Zambia iko kotunira kwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke na boigo inyora Hassan Semeli ya Facebook iko kotunira buna Ndizi TV News na boiga nsemo ya YouTube iko kotunira buna Ndizi TV News wekera soro boti ururwa Ndemo Steven iko tokogenda sumu tumokomo kengorana tora sentunde ya kabira semese ya mwanama ya Toska kendra kotengera Ndizi TV obwanso womukusi.
Ndizi TV obwanso womukusi. Ndizi TV obwanso bwomugusi niko bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi niji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore irio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomugusi. Asubugima bw'omuntu namange agwetera n'obusyo bwaye nigo bobisete amange aigiyatanya gotebya undi bwensi nabo igabeire gakoma umuchando chinga kichintambe Sara Nyarangi Ontita niga gwasoririe alia abantu basangire nere kurwa chinkoro cyabo na kurvugo segeta gochia sebali bande bagendrete ko yaitera buna nkoikaro mwalio
no moyanjiro musaguso mukwani buye atebo no moyombosa lakini mondo to basembirinya saye ari mutundito
kuri chombezi atigere nae goru ali enchibona ndwali tulikwemanya telibona na nkubena yani nali kogenda on off
Kero monto asense yiga tomenyate oyaeteire asenchera yemo guseyende nakige kogera asomoroberio ona yaeteire nigo tugotarira abaminto bali beteire amangana ao
na yaiteire Jumanne botuko enseye muninu su yamaragoba na boigo moiroro ritukure Jumatano Chinsa Isato nibere nigideke komnisano chiamogaso
Asamarieta Eriete Kennedy Mirieri Kisemba Kuruari Nyansiongo Nanjirende naikaga igase Ndizi TV kuganeria abagusi bonse piase mwabeta asetu chinga chieto chire chinga kichingia kiara bana to ikirenga kiye Christmas bana ngocha barenga bairi hao nonye meyega mugochi gutwara mobe no morembe mutware muragere buya mo etani nande bono kurwa na to gutambuka guchumwa ko moya obe no mwaka toko soan ore no morembe igase simwabeta bakusibonsi mwenye gitinga etia tubwaterane nari turagendere guchumuto nande jinga kibune chichirega nabura nyole nambale batari betenyare tikora nyole na nobwate kende naboko oko mukubwa mogosha nabo korangiria muntu musinya ine motebi nchuga iga na rito tubwaterane na bintu korukare nabo twagasibirani nonyekera tugukina mabere kigwagasibire kurwega kombe goika kwangwegererio yomino nere mukoreki nere usiba kia tusibiranie na rito ratware esuku ekorete kiringia.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwancho muligereria na ndebo no gotwiranira sentunde ya kabere MS mangana Amayia Chinsa Isato chiabona botuko ekaro kalingandete gukomanya ria bereka gwataka korwa semambe gwika Chinsa chiga chiabono marogoba omurewe kyama kia TSP the Service Party mwange kiunjure nikobonaga ni bali bakoligie karo kyobora ibwensa na sobo chori bonne boli bosio kone kibunanko bachara bora abakonyi babo abarayi korwa sebisaku auboigo wabwateganga yamagendo gochese abakenya bonse nigo kiunjuri chinga kechia mochiri nakogekeria obwamatobe boli gatijo mura ibwense na boigo no mokonyoye nigo chinga kechia ganiri bali bagantie birogebyo kone kibuna maismarore ngochora bara abakonyi babo abu barachiko bakonya na gwikirania ganga yabo elimba bachiko twaro wetana ase chinga kechire busio.
For any leader who want to lead this country must also look for backing from other communities. And the backing he's looking for is backing not only from those communities, but to those leaders whom they can be able to work together in harmony, so that you don't have a situation whereby you have a deputy president fighting with the president, or a president who is fighting his deputy. All this is happening because leaders were not grounded properly. Leaders just came together for the purpose of winning an election. And the same mistake is going to be repeated. History might repeat itself, whereby for convenience, somebody want to pick a deputy president. And this deputy president they are going to pick, they have no history of working with them together. And therefore the risk that we have is that because those who want to aspire as presidential candidates already know that the kind and the type of a deputy president they want, they really want to take over and donate power to those deputy presidents that they are going to handpick. If they are serious enough, by now we should be able to know who is grooming who is going to work with who. And if it's about coalitions, can they be made in good time? Or you just want to come and handpick a deputy president whom you can intimidate, whom you can impeach the following day. A deputy president who will be powerless.
Ababwatani bekiama kia UDA hekigekora wano mokonyo mrewense William Ruto litukolia lero ni gobomera na somo ichu Nairobi eliko kuwane na kibago chiko gendere kiama kia UDA anena sogo chukwe nyoro mrewense asobo choli obonene bole bosio omwakiri Edward Mleu ojibo igoro muli kibweli chikase kiama kia UDA asense meyu ni goba kwanera bune bago chikoligere lyabasa nkonyora bali bagali nene ase serikali ekarabate bune kiama kia UDA na kikebwate uboli aso chikokonya abantu bali batali kwenyara gwetera sumurubulyo omanyekatu na bottom up economic approach.
Youth empowerment is a key pillar of bottom up economic model, and as a party it's our duty and responsibility to bring the young lawyers together, expose them to potential clients, give them challenging assignments, mentor them to be brave soldiers fighting for democracy and the rule of law for the benefit of all the hustlers in the Republic. In this regard, the UDA Lawyers Brigade will defend the hustlers against draconian laws and roadblocks set up by the state and the county governments, which hamper the hustling, which hampers the trade of small traders, mama mboga, border border, small-scale farmers, transporters, matatu crew, and all other small traders on pro bono basis. The future is bottom up. Thank you very much. My name again is Wakili Edward Mureu.
Na gosuka mutwe gochianso robotironde kiombe kiabagwakiri aho bakwibwatania anene kiamo kia UDA igobono bagosereirie gochikwamirire kiandege komia montererio arigeti gochikokarirwa ase ebyama abo osaba gwakiri abo nigo batebere buna eyune nchiremo yo gochikonrerie byama bya siasa ebyane byanyara bikoigurwa nigo ebunge bono ekagere gochiko itware geikaro kiabane litukoriankyo eligo kwanda montererio anene ase byama bya siasa abogakiri abogati abo munyakero bobweri chiko Nelson Harvey niko batebire bunambali gochigoitabirana ebunge goetia machiko ayagochigonchora obokorribwe byama ase ense ya Kenya nigo aywago chekerekeri kati ababunge bono batayase bunge maiga yokogenda omutumuko ase omojega obwe Christmas igochinga kechio omurikibwe kyama kia UDA Veronica Maina abodi ababunge bali bakokoboke kyama kia UDA kwaneke buna litukoliankyo baikiranda se bunge na kwamereria machiko ayuarengeti gochikokorra monchererio ebyama bya siasa.
I want to say this, that proposed amendment is unconstitutional. If we have to change the meaning of the political party, we must go and amend the constitution, but it cannot change the meaning of the political party.
It's for that reason that the UDA party calls upon its legislators in parliament to ensure that these attempts are thwarted. The attempts are not intended to further the rule of law and democracy, but they are intended to engineer, they are intended to plummet and control the manner in which parties are going to undertake their businesses.
One of the most suspect things is to recall Parliament, like under certificate of urgency, 2 days shy of Christmas Day, to debate these amendments. What was so urgent? Why wasn't that debate brought into the floor of the House when Parliament was in session? And if there was no intention of cutting out so many members of Parliament who may have traveled now for the Christmas festive season, why would you not allow an opportunity as a speaker for a robust debate on these amendments if they truly are going to affect the whole nation and they will impact on public order during the electoral process in Kenya?
Gotigana noroboti rumote ni wensemo ya Rift Valley George Natembea ni gobona nyarega komochia oko igurua kwete nikiwa nyimba sensemo ya Lanete kutoka se county ya Nakuru litukulia Jumamosi ikiyete ikigoritwe no mokonyo murai wense William Ruto Natembea ni gatebire buna okigoro kegetsene kyo inkia bwatera netikiandege ikomyobote ni wanya nyimbo aseno na batebire buna nsemo yoborendi tebase kubwatera nigwa nensemo ya siasa igetsene kinigo kigoritwe amatukamake no nabo abantu bakarokana kuruza chibije cyabege twasegetsene kyo egentokere Natembea okwanira enganeyo.
We are talking about procedures, nothing else. We cannot politicize security. Kujenga police station inakuwa based on need. Kuna haja. Unajua unaweza kuwa unataka kutoa shamba ujenge kwa sababu uko na mali kwa boma yako unataka uletewe askari hapo tu. So you want security to do the back door. How many other security facilities are there? Kama ziko and in our own assessment, the area is properly covered in terms of security. Hata kama unajitolea, tunawaambia tuwekee shamba, tutaichukua, but maybe for future development. Lakini kama kuna need, kuna now those processes ambazo zinatakana kuwa approved, mpaka the police wajue kwamba kuna hiyo facility inakuja kujengwa hapo. Ili by the time now complete inakuwa gazetted as a police station, as a police post.
Abanyanyimbo barasikiru sabono nigo bachikiwe koirana ase emirimo yabo erikonyara gutingyo bolende ano mutenye komina kabere kerekeri abantu bagucengera emeyega aona bigukwarigania omwaka omuya omuteneria asensemeyo ansemo y'abanyanyimbo iri mchambaye nigatebire kubwaterana no mutena asensemeyo y'ikicera igobona baguchikubwaterana abwase abarindikiri wese tokurwase ensemo y'ikicera aguchikubwaterana amo n'abanyanyimbo bande erikoneke bunango tingi baromo obole anase amatukaya elikonyara gochengera omwaka na boigo nesuguko ligobono babuli gukwirana emirimo elikonyara gokoro na wikirani obokoreri kocha saba Kenya.
I appreciate the gesture by the Commissioner General Prison Service for augmenting our strength with an additional 3,000 prison officers. To ensure the availability of adequate security personnel, I've directed that all police officers who are currently on leave to resume duty with immediate effect. And I want to confirm once again, all officers are back to duty. Further, I invite the public to support us in this noble effort by remaining vigilant, sharing information, and reporting any suspicious activities to the nearest police post, station, any law enforcement officer, or through the police hotline numbers. Movements also creates a traffic challenge because during the festivities, people have opportunity to enjoy with their families. They would like to move with their families in one vehicle. Anything, in case of any accident, you lose your dear ones.
Omoncho muligereria hinyira ayonsi gantoke ya nyarago itira Ndizi TV obwansu bomugusi nanyambali bale ko Chinsa Mochiritia Tehran Iraq na bwego Baghdad Iraq na bwego Mogadishu Somalia iko bwatobati ya ase enchira ya bene go itira nsemu yumtindao na wensemu ya website yeto yere www.ndizitv.or.ke Chinsa mocha YouTube na botambe tubwatu na Ndizi TV News na bwego nsemu ya Facebook na bwego tnyarabuna Ndizi TV News ko ikirabuno ikomoyo mangana majia ase enchera ayobo ikiranu yina chikoraga ikomene ebere chiamambya maiga yoko bokanya sae yogo chikomena Brighton Makoli amona Sara nyarango teta baraza asomurobulyo wensakia bunabo tambe kurwa semesa ya mangana majia amaigani gakobekera ame Chinsa Mochiritia boitangale bali mwenstu abwaterana asemes ya mangana majia ngobera nembyamono abayigo bali bali gania mangana ya abayigo tinkweba ayo umoncho muligereria asoko chorako yatengera kurwa Ndizi TV obwansu bomugusi kachinga kichinde unabotambe happy merry Christmas na boigo omwaka omuyere nkorokwa Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi.